During Second World War in frontline Russian hospitals, they put containers filled with grated garlic and onion under wounds. The mixture would not touch the wound, but its vapors helped heal wounds that previously weren't healing. Garlic is one of the oldest foods used as medicine. It's a powerful remedy for seasonal infections, as well as diseases which are the leading cause of death worldwide. A 2001 study published in the journal Advances in Therapy found that garlic supplement reduces the number of colds by 63%. Other studies found that garlic is effective against a broad range of bacteria, including multi-drug resistant strains of E. coli, bacteria responsible for pneumonia, or Staphylococcus aureus, so-called MRSA superbug. It also has antifungal properties, including for Candida yeast infections. Garlic's antiparasitic properties help fight major intestinal parasites, including Giardia. Very important, to achieve all its healing properties, garlic must be either chopped or crushed for inactive allicin compound to turn into active allicin. Except for its antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and antiparasitic properties, garlic has been shown to reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. It does so by preventing the narrowing of blood vessels. Note that garlic does not lower normal blood pressure. Thanks to its blood-thinning properties, garlic improves blood circulation and, as a result, lowers the risk of heart attack and stroke. A 2005 study published in the Indian Journal of Physiology and Pharmacology found that participants with heart disease who took garlic oil for 6 weeks saw improvement in their physical endurance during treadmill exercise. Garlic is also anti-inflammatory and has been shown to reduce pain and swelling of joints in people with rheumatoid arthritis. It also regulates blood sugar levels, improves liver function in people with fatty liver, and decreases the risk of developing cancer.